Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to reset your Night Owl DVR back to its factory default settings. Before we start, check out the special offers linked in this video. Let's get right into it. First, make sure your DVR is powered on and fully running. The reset process won't work if the device is off or in standby mode. Next, use your mouse or the included remote to open the main menu. From there, navigate to Advanced or Advanced Settings. Inside the Advanced or Maintain tab, look for an option called Factory Default. Once you find it, click to select and then confirm when it asks if you're sure. Your DVR will restart automatically, and all settings, including camera layouts and passwords, will return to their original defaults. Now, if you don't remember your password, don't worry, there are a few ways to reset it. On the DVR login screen, look for a Forgot Password link or a small reset icon. Click Forgot Password and follow the prompts. Some models may send a reset code to your email or ask for security question answers. Just follow the on-screen steps to complete the process. If that still doesn't work, try a hard reset. Look for a small reset button on the DVR. It's usually at the back or along the side. While the DVR is powered on, press and hold that button for about 10 to 15 seconds until the system restarts. Once it reboots, your DVR should load up with factory settings restored. You'll need to set a new password and reconfigure your camera setup if needed. And that's it. That's how you reset your Night Owl DVR to factory default, even if you've forgotten your password. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe, and check out our next tutorial for more quick security setup tips.